And let's take a look at some of the S&P 500 performance as of last night. If you look at the chart here, it's quite mixed color. Microsoft basically down by 0.20% as compared to other company or stocks. Oracle up by 0.28%. That is under software infrastructure. And if you look at Adobe, also down by 0.52%. If you look at other markets, semiconductor, this is very important. Nvidia down by 3.06%. Now, Nvidia is very interesting because Nvidia's stock have formed an asset bubble following this year's stunning rally, and it should, it should pop up, and that could trigger a broader market crash. That is what the legend investing, Rob Arnott, says before this, and also other analysts as well. The research affiliates found a class that semiconductor stock, which more than tripled in value this year thanks to the AI hype, as the textbook story of a big market delusional. And also would Nvidia's popping bring down the whole market? He said it is very possible. And several market commentators also rang the alarm on Nvidia's as it surges to sky-high valuations driven by investor excitement over artificial intelligence. AI traders view leading the chipmaker as well positioned to take advantage of the widely expected demand surge for AI-related high-end computing equipment. Some experts have said that the company's stock price is ridiculously high and its valuation is simply unrealistic. And also Nvidia's, of course, the share have rallied 232% so far this year to date. And of course, that is about Nvidia. If you look at other market as well, Meta, for instance, Meta is down by 0.33% as of this morning. This is very important. Meta is reportedly considering paid versions of Facebook and Instagram that would ban ads in Europe. That cost of the subscription and potential rollout date has not yet been confirmed by Meta and the company itself. However, Meta will continue to offer free versions of its apps, which is still serve ads regardless. Why do we need to care about this? Because depending on user adoption, this could significantly affect brand reach and also campaign performance to the Europe market. While the ad-free subscription service is currently under consideration for Europe, it may extend the US to the US and also in the future to the other region as well. Advertisers should closely watch this development as they may need to consider reallocating their ad spend to other platforms. And on other developments, Meta's also return to office mandate went into effect on starting Tuesday, requiring employees to work from a company's physical location at least 3 days a week. That's what the company said. And of course, other market and stock as well. Apple is very interesting this morning. Apple is quite negative as of this morning. Apple down by 3.58%. Now, Apple basically suffered its worst stock decline in a month following a report that Chinese government agencies have barred staff from using the iPhone and other foreign branded devices at work. Employees at some central government regulators received instructions via chat groups and in meetings to stop bringing such gadgets into the office. That is what has been reported by the Wall Street Journal, citing people familiar with the matter. And it is not clear how widely the orders were issued. And also the company enjoys widespread popularity in China, its largest international market, despite rising resentment of American efforts to contain the Asian countries' technology industry. And of course, Apple's iPhones are among the country's best sellers and are common in both the government and also private sector. Other markets as well, or other stocks as well, if you look at Google, for instance, down by 0.98%. Amazon, as of this morning, Amazon down by 1.39% at S&P 500 as of this morning. Amazon, the US Federal Trade Commission may file a lawsuit later this month against Amazon.com after the company basically did not offer concessions to settle antitrust claims that Wall Street Journal reported, citing people familiar with the matter. And of course, the lawsuit will target the company's logistic program fulfillment by Amazon, pricing on its website by third-party sellers, and will suggest structural remedies that could break the company up, and report also wrote on that. The probe began during former President Donald Trump's administration, when the government basically decided to investigate Amazon, Google, Meta, and also Apple for allegedly breaking antitrust law. Amazon has been criticized for allegedly favoring its own products and disfavoring outside sellers on its platform, among other allegations that the company has denied allegation on. All right, that is about the S&P 500 as of this morning.